Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, December 18, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. The coffee smells great today.
Morning, David. Yes, I need this coffee. I have a busy morning ahead.
Me too. I have a sales meeting at 9. How is your project going?
Good so far. The team is on track. Did you see the news this morning?
Yeah, I did. That travel ban thing. Trump added 5 more countries now.
Right? New limits on travelers from there too. It changes everything for business.
Big deal for sales. Our clients from those countries can't travel easily now.
True. Projects might get delays. We need to check our international teams.
Exactly. No more quick business trips? It's a real headache for everyone.
It is. They acted fast after that Afghan guy arrest.
Was it a smart move or too much? What do you think, Alex?
Hard to say. Safety comes first. But it hurts work and travel a lot.
Yeah. Clients call me already. They ask about meetings.
Same here. Project timelines change. We adapt or lose time.
True. Anyway, this coffee helps me forget it for a bit. It's hot stuff.
Good point. Speaking of changes, did you hear the marijuana news?
Oh yeah. The White House thinks to reclassify it.
Trump says they consider it strongly. They want to ease restrictions.
Wow. From Schedule 1 to something lower, that's a big step.
Yes. Medical use grows fast now. It could be a business chance.
Sales team could sell related products. New market opens up.
Projects in health tech too. Is it good for the economy?
I hope so. Less jail time for small things, it feels fairer.
Society changes slow usually, but this moves fast.
Crazy world we live in. Hey, pass the sugar, please.
Here you go. Now, did you hear about Candace Owens?
That firebrand? Yeah, MAGA people are angry at her.
She made claims about Charlie Kirk's killing.
What? Conspiracy stuff again. It's her old tricks.
It infuriated her allies. Now there's a right-wing split.
Funny, she was a pro-Trump star before. Now they boo her.
It shows how tense things are. One word starts a big fight.
Office drama is the same. One email and the team gets mad.
True. People get angry quick online these days.
Yeah, is Kirk safe? What did she say exactly?
Her claims upset many people. The details are wild.
Typical for her. She keeps everyone talking, though.
Media loves it. They get clicks everywhere.
Our sales love clicks, too. More ads mean more money.
Haha. We go back to work soon. Meetings call.
One more sip first. This coffee saves my day.
Me too. I am tired from late night news.
News addiction hits us all. I can't stop checking my phone.
My phone buzzed all night. Bad habit, I know.
I agree. But it's fun to chat about here at the machine.
Yes. This morning break is the best part of the day.
Tomorrow, same time? More news to talk about?
Sure. The world is full of stories every day.
That travel ban hits our clients hard.
We adapt. That's office life for you.
Right? New plans, new deals to make.
The marijuana shift opens new doors.
Health products will boom soon, I bet.
We watch the market change day by day.
Candace drama, it's just noise in the end.
But it shows how people divide so easy.
Like our coffee debates here.
Blacker with milk?
Milk for me always. You like it black?
Yes. Strong like my projects need to be.
Sales need sweet deals like sugar.
Funny David, time to go now.
Wait, one more thing on the travel ban?
Okay, quick, what else?
Airlines lose money. Our travel budget too.
Yes, Zoom meetings more now.
Good for home office days.
True, less flights save time.
But face-to-face sells better.
Balance it, now marijuana again.
Doctors prescribe more new jobs.
Health projects grow. Our company?
Maybe pitch it to boss.
Good idea. Candace Owens next.
She fights everyone now.
Splits the group, lessons for teams.
Don't gossip bad. Office rule 1.
Smart, coffee cold now.
Last sip, refill later.
Yes, meeting in 5 minutes.
Mine too. Good luck, Alex.
You too, David? Crush that sales meeting.
Thanks. Update me on project.
Will do. See you later.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, forgot. Did you add milk to yours?
No black. Strong start.
Smart. I need sugar rush.
Go now.
Okay. Talk soon.
Yes.
That travel ban news from CNN, right?
Yes, WSJ2. Big story.
Marijuana and NYT.
Right, all hot topics. Candace and Washington Post.
Everywhere can't miss.
World moves fast.
We keep up.
Office pros?
Yes.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.